Imagine a factory where every asset is tracked in real time, where equipment failures are predicted before they happen, and where downtime is a thing of the past. This is the power of DreamzCMMS. Using IoT sensors, DreamzCMMS provides instant visibility into your assets. Location, condition, and status updates are automatically captured, eliminating manual tracking and reducing asset loss. But what happens when something goes wrong? Let's say a machine starts overheating. A connected IoT temperature sensor detects the abnormal temperature rise beyond the safe threshold. The sensor immediately transmits real-time data to DreamzCMMS via an IoT gateway, which analyzes the issue and identifies the potential overheating failure. Within seconds, DreamzCMMS automatically generates a work request detailing the specific asset, exact location, issue description, and even the recommended solution. DreamzCMMS then assigns the work request to the right technician based on availability, skill set, and priority level. The technician receives the work request instantly on their mobile device or tablet, with all necessary details, including what's wrong, where the asset is located, and step-by-step instructions on how to resolve the issue. The technician follows the predefined checklist, ensuring each step is completed efficiently. Once the repair is done, they update the work status in DreamzCMMS, confirming the issue is resolved, and the machine is back online, ready to work at full capacity. With DreamzCMMS, you can reduce downtime, optimize asset performance, and stay ahead of potential failures, all with the power of real-time tracking and automation. Take control today.